This video is sponsored by TradeMore. Hey guys, I just wanted to tell you about a pretty cool website I just found out about. It's called TradeMore.com. And what it is you can get money from your cell phones, like smartphones, iPhones, tablets, smartwatches that you no longer need or say you want to upgrade. And TradeMore could pay you more than maybe your carrier would for a trade-in. So what you do is you go to the link provided, how much is my phone worth, you select the device, give it a couple of things, answer a couple questions like how many gigs it is and stuff like that. Then select to check out, and they'll send you this recovery kit for free. It's also prepaid shipping, so you don't have to pay anything. And then you just put the phone that you no longer need inside, ship it to them, and they'll issue you PayPal money or a prepaid MasterCard. So it's pretty awesome. TradeMore provides customers with the ability to trade in and purchase used and pre-owned cellular phones. Pricing fluctuates based on the quality of the device and the device inspection results. Your individual and actual savings may vary. No individual experience should be seen as typical.